Hello guys, welcome to Learn with Venky. Today I will show how to create this 3D model in CATIA V5. So these are the three diagrams, top, front and side view. So this is a bevel gear support. We will try to create this in CATIA V5. Our plan is to create this surface first, this curved surface, then this cylindrical feature, then again this flanges and the bottom flanges. Our plan is to create that. So let's move on to CATIA, start, mechanical design, part design. If you want you can name or leave like this. Top view, position sketch, align vertical axis like this and horizontal axis like this. Then select this profile command in the profile, then draw a horizontal line, then a vertical line, then drag like this, you will get a tangent arc. Left click and drag like this, you will get a tangent arc. Again another tangent arc like this, then vertical line, then a tangent arc like this, then a vertical line, then a horizontal line, and again a vertical line, then finally merge this with vertical axis. Now we doesn't require this one, we will delete this one, thus constraint is not required. So I have to create this feature like half of this surface. For this, the dimension of this line is 45. Then from here to here the length is, if you are getting like this, right click, vertical measure distance 40. You can check parallelly with the dimensions. Again and again I can't show because it took so much time. And again right click, vertical direction. I will paste this image link. You can also practice this same. 38. Then the length of this should be 10. Don't worry if you are getting like this, just drag like this, that's all, nothing more. Then now we got a shape, but we have to give the dimensions. The dimension of this is 12, and this is again 12. This line is vertical line. Then we have to give the some more dimensions. Distance from here to here it is 138 by 2. Then distance from here to here it is 35, that is 70 by 2. Then the radius of this curve is 6. Then distance from here to here it is 50, 75, 50 by 2 is 75. I'm creating only half. Then what else more? Then I want to make this origin exactly at middle. For that I will select these two and I will make this as middle. For that I have to add all the lengths and I have to make them divide by 2. Now the length of this is required. You can see this is 25. Make this as 25. Now our sketch is turned into green color, so it is fully constrained. Now I have shown the dimensions clearly. You can also compare with your dimensions. So now I want exactly the same in the left side. For that I will select like this and I will deselect this vertical and horizontal axes. I will click on the mirror option and I will select this one. So you can see we got mirror in the left side also. So now I will exit from here and I will add this one like this, which is around 10 mm thickness. Then I will select this surface and click on position sketch like this. Then I will draw a circle exactly at here. Leave out dimension, we will give dimensions now 50. Then distance from here to here it is 60. Now we have to extrude this feature, add, extrude up to 45. Now we have to create these flanges, top flanges. For that, again select this surface and align how aligned the last sketches. Then first I have to draw a circle like this. We make these two circles are concentricity because it can lie on same point. Then I will select this one, will make this as 50. Then I will select this profile feature. I will select this profile picture and I will draw a vertical line like this. Then I will draw a curve like this. Then a horizontal line. Then a curved line like this. Then a vertical line. Then a horizontal line. Finally, I will join with this like this. So now we got the shape. This shape, but we have to trim and we have to give dimension. So now I will make this line as tangency with this one. Then I will give the radius of this curve, which is 3 mm. Now this curve, which is 6 mm. Again this curve 6 mm. Select this one and this curve, make this as tangency. Then select this vertex and select this edge, make this coincident. Then make this line vertical. Then make this line horizontal. Then we have to give distance from here to here, it is 10. Then distance from here to the center origin is 45, mentioned in the diagram. So now the sketch turned to fully green, so it is a fully consistent sketch. Now we will trim this part. Then I will select the features which we have created now and I will mirror the same in the left side too. So now I will mirror this one to the left side. Now I will trim the circle like this. Then I will select this project 3D elements option. I will double click on it and I will select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge, and this edge. Don't select all the edges, just select up to the cycle like this. So we need not to sketch this because we have projected. So now you can see we got the closure surface. Exit from here. Now select the pad option now. Then select this one, make this as 35. Now we got these flanges. Then we have to give the bottom flanges. For that, select this plane and offset this 40 mm. Select this plane and position sketch like this. Then draw a circle at here, the diameter of like this, with a diameter of 38. Distance from here to this edge 56. Then distance from here to here it is 28. Then take this line from here to here, draw like this, make this two vertex. You can see the vertex of this edge. You can see the vertex of this edge, and this vertex, pick coincident, then select the profile command and draw like this, then drag like this, you get a tangent arc, then draw a horizontal line like this. So now you have to give the dimensions, make this as horizontal, then the radius of this is 25, then the distance from here to here, it is the distance from here to here is 33, then this shoot would be tangent. So now we got the shape, but we have to trim these two lines. So now we have to draw a line from here to here. You have to trim this portion. So now you can see our sketch is closed, but we have to split this sketch. I will tell why. For that, inside the trim have break option, select this one and like this, select this points, select this one and select this points. Now you can see it has been splitted. Exit from here, then select the pad option. I will tell how to do the pad, it is different. Go to profile definition, select this one and again select this one. Okay, then give file mirror extension like this, then okay. Now again select the pad option, go to profile definition, select this one and this one. Now mirror extend 8 mm like this. Okay, now we got the bottom flanges, then we will keep hole at here, select the hole feature here, select this one, position, distance from here to here it is 28, then by 2. We got exactly at middle now. Now we'll give the hole which is around 20 mm diameter. Give up to next. Okay, now hole has been created. Now we need hole at here and here. First we will create hole at here which is around 32. And again hole at here, select the hole, position, distance from here to here it is. No, distance from here to here it is 60, then from here to here it is, you can see here, from here to here it is 23. Then diameter of this hole is 10 mm. Now we have created the holes, we have to mirror this feature, and this feature, and again this pad and this pad to the right side, to the left side. You can see the mirror option here. Will pop up some mirror, don't worry, just select this plane and OK. Now you can see our required shape has been created. Now only we have to do, we have to hide all the planes to see clearly the part. So you can see we have created this part easily with the proper dimensions and proper views. This is the front view and the top view, and this is the side view. Then this is how the model looks. Now we'll add some color to this properties. We'll add this color, apply, OK. So this is the final model. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.